Now far. I will do it. I should carry your baby for you, right? So let's carry that baby. No, let's show them your baby. Just carry that baby. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? What's your baby's name? What's your baby's name? Eh? What's your baby's name? What? I don't know what happened. I carried her brother. She now went to bring baby's Jessie's flannel and brought her toy. And she puts the baby on her back that she wants to carry her baby. Girl, can you guys just imagine? I've almost finished eating my food before I remember that. I don't show you guys. So that I'm eating pap and akara. It's what we always eat on Saturdays, like not like always sharp. Most Saturdays this is what we eat. Akara and pap. I hope you have watched the video where I made how to make akara. If you haven't watched it, I'll leave it in the description box so that you go and check out how I made this akara, okay? Guys, so is it just me or do you guys also have this feeling like I'm watching a YouTuber's video? I'm not saying the person's name, I beg, please. So I'm watching a YouTuber's video and she has like different accents. I'm like, wow, God. Like you hear her speak like Nigerian and then you hear another accent. Then you hear another one again. Babe, how many accents you get? Have you guys observed that? Have you noticed that? Why can't you just be original? Why can't you just be yourself? Do I do that as well? You guys, please let me know. Do I do that as well? Oh, my clothes just fell down. Why did I not peg this shirt? This for Jesse. I just finished blending it. I want to transfer it to his bottle. This is his first time trying beans. This is beans actually. We'll be trying it for him today. Let's see his reaction. He did not take it. He did not like it. So Toba is eating this now. That was one that ate it. So this is what they used to do for you for as cereal that you used to buy. It's best you do it yourself. So I'm just going to, these beans I did not put salt, it was just beans like that, you know, brown beans is sweet. So if you can put egg yolk for them to see if they would like it. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to add milk to it. The first thing I do when I wake up, I just look for what Jesse will eat. Just arrange this food for the day. So he likes pap now. That one is a go. So I'm trying to get, he cannot just be eating just pap. I'm trying to get other things. It doesn't like Cerelac yet. So, but it's gradually coming to it. I'm going to do a reaction for you guys, a video for you guys to see. But then I'm just thinking if I should just do all the food that he eats now. So I'm just trying to whisk the stuff. I do not use this to blend other things. This is what I used to blend this food. And this is what I used to blend pepper and all those stuff. So this one is just basically for smoothie. You know. Here we go. No, Jesse. Mommy's making your food. I was just watching Lydia Stalin. I don't know, do you guys know Lydia Stalin? I was watching her video the other day and you know, she was saying something about not relating to people. You know, we're comparing our lives to other people. You know, comparing our channels to other people. How we're not focusing on, like, from what I understood, from what she was saying, you shouldn't compare yourself to other people. Reason is because these people, they started before you. Like on YouTube, they started before you, and you just started like few months and you're like, God, why am I not growing? Even if there are some persons that will start in a year and you know they are known and you know the expectations are being met, but then there are still some persons who have been doing this thing for years. And thank you. My husband just went to get household stuff. Milk for Jesse. I use pick 0 to 12 months for him. Macaroni. The way we consume macaroni in this house, my husband has fallen in love with macaroni and he doesn't want to eat any other thing aside macaroni. You want to put in the work, you're looking for miracles. There is no miracle anywhere. There's no miracle anywhere. You have to put in the work. You have to, you know, go for research, you know, look for things. If the effort I'm putting in on my channel now, it's the same effort I put in when I started this channel, I'm very sure that I would have gone far now. But then I was just doing it like anytime I'll just take break for 6 months. I'll not post anything. I took break for 9 months. I did not post anything when I was pregnant with Toby. I didn't post anything. 9 months, just imagine. You know what 9 months can do for your channel? So I'm just here to advise us or encourage us small YouTubers. I don't give up. It's possible that the time that you just said, oh, I'm tired, I beg, that might just be the time that your channel will just kick off. But then you're not there because you didn't post that video that you're supposed to post. So just be patient. Just be patient with your channel and do not compare your channel with another person. You might say, oh, this person, what kind of content is this person putting? Look at me, I have sharp quality. I have 3 accents, because a lot of you people have like the way people used to interswitch your accent, like the accent will just fall from left, right, center, corner, alpha. It is well, I don't know how people used to do it, but kudos, thumbs up for you guys. You guys are really trying. Honestly, I cannot come and kill myself and come and be doing funny one accent that I don't have, using my nose and my eyes to talk. That's not going to work, my sister. But if you can do it, good. Why not? Continue. Nice one. If that's what your audience like, thumbs up. Keep up. Do that. Do that for them. But you see me, I cannot do that. I cannot come here and be speaking Canadian, American, and British accent plus Nigeria. Can't add Ghana or join. It will not work. It will, my calm is calm. If you say it's calm, now you know. Now you just know. So please, let's be original, be yourself. Because people are there that will just like you for who you are. We have different comedians in Nigeria, okay? But then we have our favorite comedians, you know. It's not all of them that will prefer some to others because of that their originality, because of that their oh Nepa, they have done it. I just hope it's my rant, you know, just send a message to you, okay? Yeah, if I have more rants I will include them in my videos, but for now this is what I have to say, okay? Do you like it? You like it? You guys, I am now a farmer. Look at what I planted. That started growing. This is corn. Look at them. Like, I saw them this morning. I was so proud, you guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at my babies. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Just look at them. Like, I'm going to eat corn this year. I hope I don't match anyone. I'm going to eat corn this year. Look at it. Insect. Mama, don't chop my food though. Buy some here as well. Hey farmer, do you guys know this plant? Guys, this is my garden.